Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a comprehensive tutorial on Asyncio in Python, which is a library used to write concurrent code using the async/await syntax. Introduction to Asyncio. Asyncio is a library to write concurrent code using the async and await keywords. It allows you to run I/O bound tasks concurrently without using threads or processes. This is particularly useful for tasks that involve waiting for external resources, such as network operations or disk I/O. Key concepts in Asyncio. 1. Event loop, the core of every Asyncio program. It runs in a loop and takes care of scheduling and executing tasks. 2. Coroutines, functions defined with async def that can be paused and resumed. When a coroutine is called, it returns a coroutine object but does not start executing immediately. 3. Tasks, a way to schedule coroutines concurrently. You can create a task using asyncio.create_task. 4. Futures, an object that represents a result that hasn't been computed yet. It's a low-level primitive for handling asynchronous results. 5. Await, used to pause the execution of a coroutine until the awaited coroutine is complete. Basic example. Let's start with a simple example that demonstrates some of these concepts. Example 1, Basic Coroutines. In this example, the say_hello coroutine prints hello, awaits for 1 second, then prints world. The main coroutine calls say_hello. Asyncio.run, main, runs the event loop until the main coroutine completes. Running multiple coroutines concurrently. You can run multiple coroutines concurrently using asyncio.gather. Example 2, running multiple tasks. In this example, we create 3 tasks that simulate work with different delays. Asyncio.gather, *tasks, waits for all tasks to complete. Error handling in Asyncio. You can handle exceptions in Asyncio using standard try-except blocks. Example 3, error handling. Using Asyncio with HTTP requests. You can use IOTP, an asynchronous HTTP client, to make HTTP requests concurrently. Example 4, asynchronous HTTP requests. Real-world use case. A common use case for Asyncio is scraping multiple web pages concurrently. Example 5, web scraper. Conclusion. This tutorial introduced you to the basics of Asyncio in Python. You learned how to create coroutines, run them concurrently, handle exceptions, and even perform asynchronous HTTP requests. Asyncio is a powerful tool for writing concurrent code, especially when dealing with I/O bound tasks. Keep practicing and exploring its features to become proficient in asynchronous programming in Python.